Hi, it's Asian Mom Cooking here. Today I'm going to show you how to make a stir-fry baby bok choy. And these are the ingredients you need. I got a little bit over a pound of washed baby bok choy, 3 slices of ginger, 2 cloves of minced garlic, oil, oyster sauce, soy sauce, salt, sugar, cornstarch, and water. So my baby bok choy has been already washed and pretty dry at the moment, so I'm going to cut it into half because it cooks faster this way. We are going to make this sauce: half teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of cornstarch, quarter teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon of light soy, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, 3 tablespoons of water, mix and set aside. I'm cooking in medium heat. My pan is hot. 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Adding in the minced garlic and ginger. I'm going to cook until the aroma comes out. Okay, the aroma has come out, so I'm going to add in the baby bok choy. Some baby bok choys are huge, so I'm going to cut it into half with it. Okay, after putting in all the bok choy, I am going to put in the sauce and stir and mix it. Okay, everything is mixed now, so I am going to cover for 3 minutes. Okay, 3 minutes has gone by and this is what it looks like. You can see. And to me, it's already done. Turn off the stove. Just give it a little bit more mix. Smells so good. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to get notified next time I upload.